Okay. Little shortcut, but yeah. Okay, well, I'm not saying this all again, but I'll tell you the capsule. He needs 1 to 2 cans a day, about 2 foot big apple. Do these he chews bark. Yes, but they'll usually be fine. Here, just a scale reference. 3, 4. Quite big, just for the dog. Yeah, he's and so yeah, he's as big as me if I'll be down next to him. So yeah, my brother's playing VR, so if you're in the background audio, yeah, probably just edit it out, but I'm probably going to be too lazy, and I don't want to sign into an editing software on my PC, so just stick the link out to this one video. So yeah, I'm just the doggos do like this. Puts them to sleep, also just rubbing the nose. Helps them to calm. I'm just here doing this. Those are what my doggos mostly like. He could sleep right, did it? So yeah, this was just a wee short video of what you do. Okay, now share. This one is really big. These dogs, when they're sick, yes, they shed a lot. Yeah, but normally they don't usually shed. I mean, just look at the dog's hair. That's all, just for some hair. Scale reference. To my chin, to my eyes. Yeah, I don't like the feeling. So yeah, you will have to feed them like just 2 times a day. You also got to brush them 2 times a day on a regular basis. If they're sick, because get that milk, they usually spread more hair when they're sick, so, or after taking a bath and never been properly brushed. So I'm actually just going up and trying to find the brush because my mum does not brush. It's Taji over here. My parents. If I find the brush, I'll show you what the brush looks like. Okay. So, this is the brush we use. Yeah. See the color scale? It's just as big as my normal hair for a 9-year-old. Teddy here. He does not really like being brushed. He's looking at it, trying to get it. So there's not kind of brushing control. Because he doesn't like it, not very keen. But you see on his big leg. Sorry. That's where you